Hey fellow travelers, Ryan here from Great Earth Expeditions. Really exciting news. This is the very first travel vlog. I've talked about it for years about starting my own travel series, and there's no more talking, it's more executing from now on. And so to get started, I'd like to tell you that what's going to happen is we're going to be focusing on not only tutorials, but we're going to be doing how-to videos, we're going to be doing gear review. I'm going to be showing you some of the behind-the-scenes stuff about what we do to create these world-class experiences that we bring to the tourism industry here in Nova Scotia, Atlantic Canada, and abroad, because we're going to be doing international tours in the not-so-distant future. And I'm also going to show you some of the stuff that we do on a daily basis, including myself, maybe sometimes in the off-season, because that's one of the most frequently asked questions I get from clients is, Ryan, what do you do in the off-season? So I'm here to show you. So without further ado, let's show you what it's all about. Behind the scenes, Great Earth Expeditions. So I just got out of my meeting with Discover Halifax. I think the meeting went very well. A lot less people showed up than I had anticipated, but that's all right. I'm going to take full advantage of my membership, and I'm quite optimistic about what they have as far as restructuring their program for 2018. I think it's going to cause a lot of people to be extremely happy with the new structure, what they're doing for their members, what they're doing for Halifax. I think this is one of the greatest cities in all of Canada, and much like myself, they believe that too. So I really look forward to the future and what we can bring in the next year and the next couple years after, which the fact that it's surrounded by such natural beauty, that's something that I've really taken advantage of all my life. A lot of people do not take advantage of it, and so that's what we're trying to showcase, and I think with the new membership we're going to make that possible. So before I head back to the office, I got a ton of work I got to do in the form of emails, finalizing itineraries for 2018, booking our accommodations and our activities, get everything in line before the launch of the new season. And you might be wondering, why are you doing that now? People book 5, 6, 7, 8 months, a year ahead of time, so I got to get that done now, and that's some of the stuff I do in the off season that a lot of people don't realize tour operators do. So before I head back to the office and do some of that stuff, all the fun stuff, I'm gonna get myself a copy of Gary Vee's book, Jab, 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 Right Hook, which I'm gonna start reading and hopefully get even more influenced and gain the knowledge that I need to start implementing some of these plans into some of the social media that we're gonna be doing this season, which is gonna benefit you guys because we're gonna bring you value, and more value. So stay tuned.